Oh, Monday, November 17th, and Dad's been busy all day here with priming the cab of the 73 Muskeg Tractor, and looks like he's got everything done here, inside and out. Maybe just the top part for the escape hatch, but everything else looks like it's probably done. And probably going to put on another coat of primer here yet, and but the top part's done there, so it's just the top inside there that needs to be done. So inside and out for the doors has been done, and yeah, not really much else to report other than that. Probably put this in with another video. So Dad has had a very busy day here. We got the second of machines that are coming in from down south in. I posted a photo earlier that 7,400 of you guys have already seen of a 1958 narrow gauge and a 1955 wide gauge. Anyways, Dad got so busy, those guys didn't get out of here till about noon. And then he continued on with the painting here. So he's got the first coat down, but it's not all done all the way. So most of it's got the first coat in. Inside obviously still has to be done, and underneath there as well. But this is what he's got to do. He's got done here so far today. So we're just gonna tack this in on a different video. And there is the furnace filter, nice yellow sheen. We're going to stop off at local supply shop in town here and get Dad a new paint mask. Wednesday, November 19th, and Dad has done way more painting here again. He's got all the peripheral pieces out. First coat of paint on these. He already did the priming last week. And he's continued on with the cab of the 73 Bombardier Muskeg Tractor. Looks like from first glance that all the paint's been done on the inside now. I don't know if that's two different colors or not. Looks like it's two different colors. Could just be the light. But would have put on his second coat on here. And geez, the bearing on the furnace is really going here. I'll have to ask him how this is proceeding. Dad is really pushing through this stuff right now because you guys will have seen possibly the one photo on the Bombardier Facebook page about what's come in and the timelines. We have to get that work done. So he really wants to get this machine at the very least painted, and then put the cab on top of the body there and move it forward. And I really hope we can get the engine and transmission in and everything hooked up and then all together. But right now he might just have to finish off the paint job and just put everything into on top and then move it forward. And then we're going to start moving in some Bombardiers here from some guys from down south. So again, I'm just gonna put this into the video from yesterday, and there might even be another video here. Gotta really trying to condense all the videos for you guys. So one of my upcoming videos here that you'll see before this is it's about a week's worth of work all condensed into one video. But little dog just living her best life.
All the painting is done.
All the painting is done.
Put this cab on the body.
Okay.
I'm going to paint the body tomorrow.
Okay.
Day after tomorrow we'll put the cab on the body.
Yeah.
Bring the whole thing up here.
So we're not even continue on with the engine and transmission then?
Not right now, no.
So Thursday, November 20th. I can't tell what Dad did here. He's having an end of day wet with his buddy Randy. But he might have done a little more painting there. And it looks like he probably just bar soled the bottom half of the Muskeg tractor. And it looks like that's what he did. Probably some grinding here too, just to get the rough edges out. I know he had to bar saw everything to prime it for, or to get it ready for priming. So I'm just gonna tack this on to the other video and that'll be that. And my Emily is so patient.
Yeah.
Doesn't mind being served last because she knows she's gonna eat.